What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite slow download. So, you might be wondering how to exactly increase your download speed here when you're downloading Fortnite or any games in Epic Games. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and change a few settings on Epic Games. Now, in this case, you want to go to your profile at the top right here, go ahead and click on it, and you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now, under settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, look for throttle downloads. You want to enable this and maybe increase the values. Like, for example, set this to 1000 or just more. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and close your Epic Games here, restart it again, and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is you might want to visit your, in this case, your task manager. So you want to go to your search bar at the very bottom here, just type in task manager, open it up, and from here, you want to go to the left side here or left panel here, and you want to go ahead and choose the apps or details. So in this case, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and look for Epic Games. So you should see Epic Games Launcher here. Right click on it. You want to go to set priority. And from here, you want to go ahead and maybe set this to above normal or high. Now from then on, once you've set this to high or above normal, go ahead and see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing you might want to do here is you might want to clear some information or files that you currently have. So you want to go to your search bar again, just type in run and open up the run app here. Now you want to type in the following. It's going to be percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. Now from here, scroll down a bit and you want to look for Epic Games Launcher. So this might take a while, so go ahead and just scroll down a bit here, click on Epic Games Launcher, click on save. And from here, it's going to choose config, go with Windows, and from here, you want to look for engine ini. Now, in this case, you want to right click on this one, and you want to go ahead and click on the option here that says open with, and just open with Notepad. Now, it should give you this file here. So this is what it's going to look like. So in this case, if you do see any text in here, you want to go ahead and delete that. And you want to make sure that you save this as is. So there's no in it. So you want to go ahead and delete anything you see here. And once you've done that, go ahead and close it. And also when you're doing this, make sure that Epic Games is actually closed. So go ahead and close Epic Games first before doing so. But once you've done this and you restart Epic Games, see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.